At what age do chickens stop laying eggs? Many people don't know when the chicken will stop laying eggs. Let us assume our backyard layers now, like let me call it the one we have, the local one we have, or this one we have. We may even put it at our backyard. The lifespan now will increase due to the level of grass is eating and other kitchen scrap that is eating. Like there's one that I saw. They said that the bird is up to 6 years. The only thing is that they said that I don't know how many months a lay egg lasts. That one is native.